guys, and welcome to my channel. First, let me apologize. It has been a while and it is due to my being a little under the weather, but I am feeling much better. However, as you can see, during the couple of weeks that I was sick, there was a lot of activity on the house. So the last video, if you recall, was just the concrete foundation. And now we have an actual house. So I did miss filming the framing going up before the exterior walls, but you can still see all of that on the interior that I'll show you in just a moment. Here though are some of the outside views of the home. This is the front view. You just saw the garage and front porch. And here is a view from the back side corner of the home where you can see the back windows of the great room and of the owner's suite upstairs. And another view from the back. Here you can see the window upstairs that will be in the owner's bathroom. There's the window in the kitchen that will be above the sink. And there's the patio. So now we can go inside. Hopefully you have more vision than I do. I am struggling a bit to envision everything, but I have become familiar with the floor plan and with the blueprints. So I'm getting there. So at the front of the house, off of the entryway, where you just saw those two windows, that's where the office will be. And going in the front door, this will be the small entryway. To the right again will be the office. And up ahead on the right is the dining room. Now the powder room will be just across the hall from the dining room. And the office will have double doors. So you'll notice here that the entrance is a little wider than normal. So from the dining room, you can enter the kitchen through the doorway, or you can go straight up the hallway and enter the kitchen across from the great room. Now on the right side wall in the kitchen, as you enter, there will be cabinets and the stove will be on that wall. On the back side wall, there will be more cabinets and the sink will be on that wall just under that window. Here is where the small island will be, and the opposite wall is where the refrigerator will go, with a couple cabinets on either side. And you can see the water line here for the water hookup to the fridge. So just across from here is the great room, and there are 9-foot ceilings on the first floor. And here's the back door out to the patio. So this is the view from the back by the kitchen entrance straight through to the front door. On the right here is where the mudroom will be. There will be a 6-foot bench and wall hooks. And to the left is a coat closet. And it will be just on the other side of the powder room. And there's the entrance from the garage. And we'll head upstairs. And it is a split staircase with a window over the landing. And at the top of the stairs, to the right, is the loft area. Now you could choose to enclose the loft, and that will give you an additional bedroom. Beside the loft is one bedroom. And just across the hall is another bedroom. Now beside that bedroom is the hall bath, and next to it there's a small hallway, and that's where the laundry room will be. Down the hall and to the left of the staircase is the owner's suite, which is where we are now. I've tried to get away from saying master suite. Just don't like the sound of that, if you know what I mean. And to the right is the owner's bathroom and closet. So that's where we are for now. I have met with the builder and we've gone over the schedule, and from what I understand, the next step should be putting on the roof shingles. I'll be posting the next video soon. Thanks for watching.